Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add mobile number in Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook app. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Click on the Settings option once again. Now click on Personal Details option. Click on Contact Info. Here, tap on Add New Contact option in the bottom of your screen. Then click on Add Mobile Number option. Here, you'll have to enter your mobile number. Select the Facebook account. Then tap on Next option. Here, you'll have to enter your confirmation code sent to your number. Tap on Next button. And that is how you can add mobile number in Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.